Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to use the Rodan and Fields reverse system. There are 4 steps. The deep exfoliating wash, which is your cleanser. The skin lightening toner, which is your toner. The skin lightening treatment, which is going to address your dark marks and the areas that you want to lighten. And a Broad-Spectrum Spf 50+ sunscreen. So today I'm going to demo these products and show you how to use them. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is About That Mama Life. I'm Amber, and on this channel you'll see lots of videos about mama life related content like DIY projects, recipes, beauty and skincare reviews and tutorials like the one you're going to see today. So if those kind of videos interest you, consider subscribing to this channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Rodan and Fields reverse system. I'm going to show you how to use this system and tell you a little bit about what it's done for me. I do have videos on my journey using this system that shows you my skin before using it, all the way up to 2 months worth of using it. In video clips you can actually see my progress. So if you want to see that, I will link that down below. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I've already cleansed my skin using the deep exfoliating wash. You can use this 2 ways. It does say to wet skin and then use your fingertips to exfoliate. I like to take just a little bit of water in my fingertips and pat it on my face so it's just damp. Take a little bit of this scrub, and you can see it's that orangey, very thick exfoliating scrub. I take about a dime size amount on my fingertips and really work that in. And because your face is just barely damp, it's going to give it a really deep exfoliate. And it's going to help really remove all that dead skin that's holding those pigments, dark pigments that you're wanting to take out. Now, if you have really sensitive skin, start slow on this. You don't necessarily want to dry cleanse with an exfoliating wash like this if you have really sensitive skin. So maybe start with just a little area and see how it feels the first time. Or you can do as the instructions say, wet your face and then put the product on, and it's going to give you less of a harsh, intense scrub. So I do a dry cleanse probably 3 times a week, and the other times I just wet my face as normal and then exfoliate and use the wash. I also use my Clarisonic brush to go in and really deep clean and deep exfoliate after I've rubbed this on my face. So let's get into the next step. Okay, so we're going to start with our toner, and this is the Skin Lightening Toner. I'm going to be using a gauze pad to apply it. So I just add a little bit to the gauze pad. And the reason why I'm using gauze instead of cotton is because it soaks up a lot less product. So you're not wasting a bunch of product that's just being absorbed in the cotton pad and not transferring to your skin. And then I just apply this everywhere. The gauze pad I'm using this one is from Target, and it's a big pack of extra large ones that I just cut down to size. And one of those packs will generally last me a couple of months. So next I'm going to be putting on my Active Hydration Serum. This is a serum that has hyaluronic acid, which is amazing for your skin, and it really adds a lot of moisture to the skin. So you'll see I'm kind of tapping it in. By doing this motion, it's really bringing the blood to your skin, and it's invigorating your skin, and it's really allowing your skin to plump up and absorb the product. So I'm just gonna pat that in all over. And next we're going on to step 3, which is the skin lightening treatment. Now I use about a pea-sized amount. I start by spreading it over 2 fingers and putting it where I have most of my, what's not even darkness now, it's just a little bit of redness, but where most of my darkness was in my T-zone area. So I start there, and then I just really lightly start to spread that around. Next is the eye cream. This is the multifunction eye cream. It just looks like this. You only need a little bit. I do the same thing. I transfer that between 2 fingers and I just pat that very lightly under my eyes. Not just under my eye, but basically anywhere I would put concealer. I start at my inner corners, and I mean I'm barely patting here, very, very lightly. And I go all the way out to the outer corners and up to the tops of my cheekbones, because that's where I see some fine lines and some wrinkles and some darkness. And then the last step is the Broad-Spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen. I'm not going to use this step today because I'm staying in the house all day. I'm not leaving, so I won't be having any sun exposure. But it is a very, I'll give you a little example. It's a very light sunscreen, and it really just absorbs right into your skin. It has a really light kind of citrusy vanilla scent like the rest of the line does, and it doesn't make your skin feel greasy or oily or heavy. So that's it. I've completed my skincare. My skin feels amazing, and this line is the first line that I used, and it really helped to eliminate my dark marks. In the evening, I'll put my lash boost on, and that's what's helped to completely change my eyebrows. They were just very sparse little lines, and now they're nice and filled in and really help to grow my lashes. I have no makeup on whatsoever right now. If you want to see how to use the lash boost and some before and afters on how that worked for me, I'll put that video right here. And if you like this video or learned something, you want to consider subscribing, just press this button here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Mwah.